Bonjour, bienvenue mes étudiantes. Aujourd'hui, on va faire la leçon Rien ne marche bien. Rien ne marche bien, leçon 6 Okay? So, very interesting lessons. Today, we are going to learn or do the negative expressions in French. Okay, students, so you know French negation. What is a French negation? No, no, verb. You know already this. Okay. So it is a very basic French negation. Let's see an example. Je ne, je ne mange pas. Quick. Je ne mange pas. Right? So this is c'est votre verbe. Ici, on va utiliser no et pas. So this is the basic negation. But in French, there are many more negative expressions than just ne pas. Let's explore them in detail. Let's see. The first one is quelque chose. Okay, quelque chose. This is the positive expression, and what will be the negative expression of it? No, rien. Here comes when. Okay, no, rien. Okay, so if I want to say je mange, je mange quelque chose. So I eat something. Okay. But if I want to say I eat nothing, then it will be what will quelque chose? What is the negative of quelque chose, students? The negative of quelque chose is no rien. Let's replace. But the position will be je ne mange rien. Got it? So this is the negative. Je ne mange rien. Let's take another expression, that is quelqu'un. This is the positive. What will be the negative of quelqu'un? No verb person. In the last it is in. Okay, no verb person. Let's take an example. Je vois quelqu'un. Okay, je vois quelqu'un. So it means I see someone. Okay, but if I want to say no one or nobody, let's do this. What is the negative expression of quelqu'un? No person. And what is the position of no person? No verb person. It means this is my verb. Here come no. Here come person. So je ne vois person. It means मैंने किसी को भी नहीं देखा. Right? I see nobody. Je ne vois personne. Next one is encore. Encore est positif and le négatif est no verb plus. Okay. So what it means कि no more or not anymore. It means in negative phrase. D'accord. Let's see example. Elle travaille. Elle travaille means elle travaille encore. She still works. Encore, elle travaille encore. Now, I want to say she doesn't work anymore. Let's put what is the negative of encore? No, please. The position is before verb no, after verb plus. Elle ne travaille. Elle ne travaille plus. Right? Elle ne travaille plus. The next expression is, it is done. The next one is déjà. Déjà, you know, right? Deja. And what is the Deja negative? No verb was encore. So deja, oh, you know, it means already, right? And no pas encore means not yet. Okay, if I want to say il est déjà là, il est déjà là, so he is already here. And I want to say no, she is not here yet. Or he is not here yet. Then what is the deja? The negative is no pas encore. Let's do il n'est il n'est pas encore là. Easy. The next expression is toujours. Toujours is the positive one. What is the negative of toujours? No verb jamais. No verb jamais. So if I want to say elle, or I can say tu. Okay. So tu es toujours en retard. Tu es toujours en retard. Okay. Now what will be the expression is jamais. So you are always late. Tu es toujours en retard. So you are always late. What will be the negative of it? That you are never late. So it will be tu n'es. What is the negative of toujours? That is jamais. Tu n'es jamais en retard. Tu n'es jamais en retard. Okay. Next one negative is quelque part. Quelque part. So quelque part, it means somewhere. What will be the negative? Nowhere. How to say in French? No. Then nulle part. It is E, students. Okay, I'll write it again. So it is nulle part. Okay. Let's see the example. Je vais quelque part. So I go somewhere, right? Je vais quelque part. What will be the negative of this? That I go nowhere. How it would be? The negative of quelque part is null part. Okay. Now let's see. Je ne vais. Now what it will come? What will come? Je ne vais nulle. Je ne vais nulle part. D'accord. The next one is the usage of no, ni. Okay, so the student just take care of it. If there is la, le in the positive sentence and you want to make it negative, then it will be no, ni. So no, ni is equal to neither nor in French. Oh, sorry, neither nor in English. Right? Let's take an example. Je j'achète le j'achète la chemise et les pantalons. Okay, so j'achète la chemise, see, la chemise, les pantalons. So I buy shirt and pants. Now I want to say that I buy neither shirt nor pens. How to say? Je n'achète ni. So student, here we will use ni, ni chemise, ni pantalon. Okay. So this is the next one is the last one, the replacement of du de la. That is your les articles pathétiques. Okay, students? Du de la de. Now here is a change. We will use the same no, ni, ni. Let's take an example. If there are these elle mange du pain, okay, et du fromage. Elle mange du pain et du fromage. Now here what will be do? What happened in the negative? Elle ne mange ni pain ni fromage. So they will be omitted. Okay. So I think I did. Okay. Lola concept I want to teach you again, students. Before that I taught you now. J'achète wala. There is an exception. So there was a mistake. I'm sorry. So see, there should be like we like carry that. So by mistake I told you not to carry this, but we have to carry this. Okay? Just correct it. So it is, you can see, vous achetez la jupe et le pantalon. So we have to carry le and lo. La. Okay? Just correct it. In the video I like there was a mistake. Okay, just rectify it. So we carry la la. It means let's read the rule with the ni. The article are used in negative sentence. Whereas if there is a partitive article, this one we do not use. The article is removed. But please carry la la li. Okay. I'll write in the correction box as well. But make sure that you will learn this part. Okay. Now the next one is let's do that. Okay, we will do some exercise, students, on the basis of this. For example, if I want to say je mange, okay, we have already done, I'll give another example. For example, here it is je ne veux dash manger. Okay, je ne veux dash manger. So just to fill here, what will come? Je ne mange कुछ भी नहीं खाया. Yes, Ria mange. Okay. Il ne parle à. Il ne parle à. So he doesn't talk to anybody, anyone. So what was anyone or anybody? Il ne parle à personne. So il ne parle à personne. So here come person. Okay, this is R. Il ne parle à personne. Nous ne. Next example, let's do nous ne jouons. Yes, student, nous ne jouons au foot. What will come? Guess. Au foot is football. So we never play football. Yes. So never is your jamais. Okay? Jamais. 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 The next one is elle ne danse dash avec nous. Elle ne danse avec nous. Right? plus. The next one is tu ne vas pas. Okay, tu ne vas dash après le cours. What will come? Tu ne vas. So tu ne vas nulle part. So after the school, don't go anywhere. Nulle part. Okay? So this is the small exercise we did. Let's do the book exercise. So let's do the exercise of the book. Okay? So this is chapter 6, let's exercise. This part we will do when we will make a video on reading. Let's do this. Mate les phrases au présent. Let's make the present tense. Okay, nous avons fait. This is past. So present will be nous faisons du shopping. Okay? Nous faisons du shopping. Nous sommes allés. The present will be nous allons. Right? Nous allons au café. This, the present is j'achète du poisson, and this will be elle revient à le. So this is your present tense. Changer ces phrases au négatif. Now we have to make this au négatif. Elles ont mangé tout le gâteau. ठीक है? So elles ont mangé tout le gâteau. What will be the negative? It will be rien. Means nothing, right? Elles n'ont mangé. Okay, verb. Here is the verb. First verb. First of all, rien will come. Elles n'ont mangé rien. Elles n'ont rien mangé. Okay, this is the position. First verb, avoir. Before that, no, pas. Pas in the place of pas, rien. So, elles n'ont rien mangé. Elles n'ont mangé le gâteau. Monsieur Vincent rencontre tous ses amis ce soir. So, means Mr. Vincent meet all of his friends. So we will say no one, right? No person. Monsieur Vincent no rencontre personne. Negative. Ne rencontre personne ce soir will come. Okay? Philippe aime les gâteaux et les bonbons. So what was the rule? This is neither Philippe neither like cakes nor toffees. Okay? Now see Philippe n'aime ni. So I told you if it is article definite we will use it. Okay? Ni les gâteaux and A will be omitted. Ni les bonbons. Okay? Elle mange encore la pizza. Negative is elle ne mange plus la pizza. Il est toujours en retard. Il n'est jamais en retard. Il n'est jamais en retard. Cochez le mot négatif correspondant de mot souligné. Le directeur de mon école est toujours jamais. Ils font leur devoir. Negative simple. Ils ne font pas. Ils ne font pas. Je bois le jus d'orange et le coca. Je bois le nini. Je vais faire quelque chose. Quelque chose négative is rien. Je vais quelque part. Je ne vais nulle part. This is negative. Let's take another exercise. So, je me couche à 11 heures. Negative will be je ne me couche pas. Je ne me couche pas à 11 heures. Students, whenever you have to practice, you write full words. Okay, because I can't write because I don't have space. Moreover, the video will be too long. Okay, but you just practice it fully. J'ai beaucoup de fleurs dans ce panier. What will be the negative? Je, je n'ai pas beaucoup de fleurs dans ce panier. Okay? Il s'assit près de moi. Il n'assit pas près de moi. Clara ne reçoit pas cette lettre aujourd'hui. Ok, le bus ne s'arrête pas devant le cinéma. Okay, ji. The next one is conjugal verb. The correct verb. Les élèves is plural. The conjugation will be plural. S'amuse. Nous levons. Ok, sont dormir. Tu dors. When he say Pauline plural, then it will be se promène. Je m'habille. Écrivez les phrases à la forme interrogative en utilisant l'inversion. Inversion. The verb will come first. So fâche till à cause de moi. Ok? Avez-vous votre argent? The next one is essaye-t-elle. Essaye-t-elle de téléphoner? Lisez-vous ma lettre? Lisez-vous ma lettre? Okay, the next one is se rencontre in the plural. Se rencontre-t-il à Paris? Okay, exercise is done. In the next video, we will read this comic part. Then we will do one exercise of writing and reading of this chapter. So students, I hope you understood this important structure. No, Riya, no person means except like Nopa you know, but there are many negatives expression except Nopa. Okay, so memorize them, make a lot of sentences. Whenever you learn something new concept, kindly make the sentences like using real situation. Okay, apply that situation on you and make phrases. And if you want that, if you want to check all these, you can like WhatsApp or you can write in the comment box. I'll check it. Okay. Thank you. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.